Today we are going to learn about a new video editing application, that is Filmora Go. This is an Android application and can be downloaded from Google Play Store. So today we are going to learn about the basic layouts of Filmora Go. The first section in the top left corner is the settings option that enables us to set basic settings of Filmora Go. Next is the help center, where it tells us the various factors of Filmora Go, how to implement the transitions, various text elements. So this is the help section. Next we have the button to start the new project. Next button we have of the draft, that is the incomplete projects which we can refer to and complete. Next button is for camera. So on clicking this button, the mobile camera turns on and we can take the videos and images for editing in the app. Next is the template button. On clicking the template button, it takes us to the online available templates to use for our various videos. Some of the categories of templates are TikTok, Instagram, music beats, vlog and other templates. One is for splicing. This option enables us to select various images and put them in a sequence. So for example, I have selected 3 images. These images with predefined animation prepare a automated video. So discarding this for the time being. Next is the photo button. Similar to splicing, this button enables us to select the photographs from gallery or from stock, that is online, and edit them. The last section is the material section. In this section we have various stickers to be applied in our videos. The lower 2 buttons, that is the trim button and the store button. In trim button, this first layout is there. In the store, when we click on store, so it takes us to the online content, for example templates, stickers, various effects, tools, filters, transitions and even online music. These options we will be learning in our subsequent videos. Thank you.